So hopefully this line doesn't break me out like Fenty did. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Boulevard Fox, and today I am unboxing none other than Skin by Lori Harvey, the Glass Skin Queen. First, we're gonna get into a unboxing, and then we're gonna do a first impressions of Lori Harvey's skincare line. I am very excited because my skin has been acting crazy. So hopefully this line gets it together in its 5 steps and doesn't break me out like Fenty did. If you did not see my Fenty skincare video, that was a no for me. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Now I'm going to do some first impressions of the products. This is the Goji Berry Cleanser. It's a plastic bottle, very sleek. It's kind of hard to open. Pump nozzle, silver plastic. Let's see, guys. Ooh, did you see that? Did you see that? I ain't trying to waste too much. It smells really good. It's a nice thick consistency and it smells very refreshing. But like a heavy refreshing, not like a light and airy refreshing. I know a lot of people on her page and on the brand page were asking about the full list of ingredients. The full list of ingredients are on the package here. You obviously can't see that. Lemon and grapefruit. You definitely smell the grapefruit and the lemon. I thought it was goji berry at first, but I don't think I know what goji berry even smells like. So it's giving grapefruit and lemon for sure. Very pretty smell. Not a light refreshing, but like a mid to heavy kind of smell. And that might change once I add water. It might get a little more refreshing. So we'll see once I wash my face. It's a hard plastic. Oh. A little cheapy. Next is the White Tea Toner. This is a spritz bottle. Ooh, that was a nice solid spritz right there. It's giving white tea. This smells very airy and light. It's not to die for. It's not bad. It's kind of like a regular. This is a vitamin C serum. I wish everything else came with glass. The vibrancy of the bottle is different in the glass versus a hard plastic. Maybe these will be refillable because it is a hard, I don't know, child. And you drip it on your skin. Ooh, this feels luxurious. It has a lot of slip. This has a lot of slip. Great for detangling. This doesn't have a scent. I don't smell anything right away for this vitamin C serum. Yeah, this doesn't smell like anything. Bamboo, pea, aloe vera. Maybe a slight scent of aloe vera, but it's giving luxury. I'm here for this. I've never used a vitamin C serum, so I'm very excited for it. Peptide Eye Complex. I put a lot on there. Did not mean to put that much. Don't be wasting your product, Tiff. Okay. It's nice and thick. And it's absorbing into my skin very quick. This doesn't have a scent either, which I'm not mad at. I might be slightly allergic to fragrance. I think that's why Fenty broke me out. But these things are naturally fragrant. Like, I didn't see any perfumes added. You're smelling the fruit that's in the ingredients, not any added like perfumes. And then lastly is the niacinamide cream. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. Came with a spoon. I wish the spoon had a little protected pouch or somewhere, like a holder on the container, so that it didn't get dirty. It looks nice and thick. I'm gonna take a nice swab off of the cap. I got way too much of this. Oh, this is gonna have my skin glowing and moisturized. I feel like once I go through all the steps, the final smell is just gonna be so amazing and refreshing. I'm gonna feel like I am at a spa. It's good, y'all. 10 out of 10 for the fragrances and the quality of the products, how they feel on my skin and on my fingertips. Okay, so let's go wash my face. So this skincare line came right in time because I've been having some breakouts that I've obviously been messing with. So I have some dark spots here and I still have a little acne. So I'm going to try this skincare for a month and see how my skin improves. So if you'd like to follow my progress and check out some end results, please subscribe below. If you like this video, give it a like, turn your notifications on. I'll be back in about a month to review it. Might check in at 2 weeks just to see the progress. I'm gonna use this video as a before. Here we go. I don't know if I have enough. This is my problem area. I feel like it's because of these masks. Step 2, white teeth toner. Always read the directions first. Is that enough? I think that's enough. Oh, there's enough. Might have been too much. Okay, step 3. This says on clean, dry skin. So my skin's not dry. It's clean though. Let's dry it out. I'm feeling real bougie. It smells amazing, guys. Oh my gosh. this cooling sensation with the fan. Oh. Yes, guys, fan your face dry. This is the step. This is a step Lori didn't have, but I'm here for the fan the face. Fan the face, sis. My face feels clean. It like feels squeaky clean. Okay, I feel like my face is dry. So we're gonna go in with the vitamin C serum. Yes, step 3. Oh, this is getting real bougie. I love it here. Slightly sticky, a little sticky. You don't pick up that much with the syringe because you're supposed to use a small amount. Eye complex, step 4. I need something on my lips. Lori, we need a lip scrub. I'm sure that's coming next. Yes, get rid of these bags. Please and thank you. Then step 5, the cream. Use your spoon, y'all. Which way does this go? Does that mean that's all you need? I mean, I know, you're probably not supposed to put it on your skin. Okay, let me use my hands. Day 1. I'm here for it. Oh, this is so embarrassing. I've never been this close without like makeup on or a filter. But the girls want to see the real thing. I definitely pop every single pimple I get, as you can tell. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you come back to my channel for my glass skin journey with Skin by Lori Harvey. And also for some fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I'm Boulevard Fox. Bye.